Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. Today we have what we believe is a 1973 Yamaha AT3 125, AT3 MX 125 fuel tank. This came from an estate. We think it is new old stock. I cannot be 100% sure because we have no history on it. It's either new old stock or somebody did a really super nice repaint on it because it looks like it is got everything where it's supposed to be. We did notice there's a number tag inside. I don't know if that would have been original Yamaha application, but as you can see, extremely clean underneath. And oops, I do notice a blemish here that's perhaps from age or something. I don't know. Again, we don't have history on this thing. This will be on eBay. Thank you for watching.